Welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. Welcome to the 37th video of our AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Exam Prep series. Today, we'll be looking at question 37 of the exam prep, and let's jump right into it. A quick reminder that this video will be split into 3 different parts: the analysis stage, where we analyze the question; the knowledge stage, where we explore all the key knowledge points this question has to offer; and the solution stage, where we take a look at the answer for the question. Let's first hop into the analysis stage. So here's the question that we're going to be doing today. Take a quick minute and pause the video here to read it. Are you done? Fantastic. The first step in solving a big, complicated looking question like this one is to find out what it's asking. And here, I've highlighted the key points of the question that explains what kind of answer we should look for. The first thing we see highlighted in yellow is the phrase, rotate the credentials for its AWS RDS for MySQL database across multiple AWS regions, which tells us that this question wants us to look for, which tells us what this question wants to look for in the answer. Therefore, whichever answer we choose must answer what the section is asking. The second part we see highlighted in yellow is least operational overhead, which is another way of saying don't make your solution too complicated. Now it's time for the knowledge section of this question. The first piece of information that you should know is server-side encryption. It encrypts the storage or data with AWS managed keys, and AWS will rotate the key every year. Moving on to KMS, which is an AWS managed service to store keys and set key auto-rotation every certain interval. The Secret Manager is a managed service that can store secrets and manage secret rotation automatically. Finally, a System Manager Perimeter Manager is a perimeter store that can be used for applications to retrieve a perimeter. Secrets can also be one of those perimeters, but it cannot change or rotate the secrets. Now that we know what the question is about and what the key knowledge points mean, let's move on to the solution. So here we can once again see the question, and we can first eliminate option B, because the perimeter manager doesn't have the capability to rotate the secrets. Then we can eliminate option C, because when there is a secret manager, encrypting credentials and storing it in storage sounds very unprofessional, and Lambda function is too complicated to rotate the secret. We can finally eliminate option D, because using a database to store secrets is too much over-engineering. It's like driving a car into your neighbor's house. This leaves option A as the only option left standing, and if we check it over, we can see that it is indeed a correct answer, because the secret manager can manage the secret and its availability in different regions, and it can also rotate the secret. Thank you guys for watching this video of UTech Exam Prep, and if you made it this far into the video, first of all, thank you, and second of all, you probably enjoyed it and found it helpful, and if that is true, can you do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel? It will really mean the world to me. Thank you.